Alright, let's create a histogram. So this is the data we have. We're gonna create a histogram based on the cost per order column in this spreadsheet. So first, we want to enter the bin, the range that we want to put our data into. So the first one is from 0 to 26,000, and then the next one will be from 26,001 all the way to 52,000, so on and so forth. So we can let this range or bin go all the way to 130,000. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bins plus the one above 130,000. And after we set up the bin, we can use the data analysis pack in Excel. So click on data, data analysis. Here choose histogram. Click on OK. We're gonna choose the input range. So that will be cost per order and the whole column. You can do Control Shift down to select the whole column plus the label. And then the bin range will be the one we just entered. And check the checkbox in front of labels because both the column, the data cost per order has a label and the bin range also has a label. So we check the bin labels. We're gonna put it over here on the same sheet. I'm gonna put it right there. The output plus the we also want to have a um, histogram chart. That's the main reason we do this. So make sure you check chart output. And then the histogram can also display a cumulative percentage line. So that's also looks pretty good. So we want to have that. Now we can just click OK. All right. So we have our oops, we have our histogram. Can make it a little bit bigger. And we don't need to read this. All right. So you can see um, there are 68 data points are below or less than or equal to 26,000, and then there are 8 between 26,000 and 52,000, greater than 26,000 but less than or equal to 52,000, so on and so forth. 12 observation above 52,000 but less than or equal 78,000, and 3 for the next range and 3 for the last range. There's no records observation above 130,000. And here you can see the cumulative percentage. 72% are in the first bin, and cumulatively 80%, that's majority of the data, are within the first two bins. So that's our histogram.